How do you build a price book that sells? You heard me right. Your price book can do the work for you. Think about this for just a quick second. Have you ever gone to a convenience store and the person working behind the counter, who probably doesn't even like their job, who's definitely not on commission, no production bonus, convinces you to add more to your cart? Have you ever gone to the convenience store, grabbed a Red Bull, and they suggested you go get a second one because there's a deal, or a second candy bar because there's a deal, or hey, the bigger pack is on special? Have you ever been at a convenience store and the person in front of you got sold and then you had to stand in line longer while they went and grabbed that second item or that additional item? It's happened to all of us. And if it hasn't happened to you, well, you're probably shopping at better places than me. But the reality is it happens. It's called merchandising and bundling. And the experts that do this in stores know it best. Retail stores do this better than anyone because they have non-commissioned reps pushing products. And how do they do it? Well, they establish retail value with an item that's solidified. We've sold this. The employees have seen it transact at that price. They've seen it served at that price. They've seen it sold and communicated at that price for a while, a period of time, maybe a year, 6 months, and then it goes on sale. Well, when that happens, people become naturally suggestive because they genuinely believe in the deal. So think about it like this. Let's say your water heaters are a certain price, your softeners are a certain price, and in your market, it is imperative to get a softener when you're considering the health of your plumbing. How could you bundle those together? You have a set retail value for the softener, meaning the technicians go out, and if that's all the customer gets is a softener, this is the price they pay. And then on top of that, if they go back out and replace the water heater, that's the price that the customer is going to pay. Can you have some sort of bundle deal? Could it be in a scenario, let's say you have high water pressure. You could say, hey, our water heaters are this price. Our water heater repairs are this price. Our cartridges are this price. Our faucets are this price. Toilet fill valves are this price. Toilets are this price. But anytime we take your pressure and it's over 80 pounds, you have to buy a PRV. And anytime you buy a PRV, we give you 15%, 11%, 12% off the initial repair. If you start creating these bundles, and again, based on margin, you're going to see an incentive for the customer to spend more with you. And I want to really break this down. If I go to a home and I repair the toilet or replace the toilet, it really isn't going to be a ton of different time. I mean, we're talking in maybe another half hour. So I go into that home, I've spent 30 minutes replacing a fill valve. I go in that home and spend an hour replacing the toilet. If I do the toilet and the emergency stop or angle stop or straight stop or whatever you call it, I'm probably still only going to be an hour as long as the main works. And if the main don't work, I was already going to have that problem anyways. So all things being considered, adding the angle stop doesn't really add more work, but it adds more value for the customer. So if I want to stop just always doing repairs, maybe, hey, you need an angle stop. You can repair it at full price, but anytime someone buys a toilet, it comes with an angle stop. Now think about that. You don't have to go that far if you don't feel comfortable with it. Work the numbers out. We do an entire video set on margin and risk and breaking down everything you could want to know about your price book. I hope you go see that because it's going to make this make more sense. But just thinking about it from a common sense standpoint, how much easier is it for the customer to make the decision to buy the $800, $900, $1,000 toilet when they're getting a free $250 to $350 straight stop or angle stop versus having to spend $300 on a repair and another $300 on the angle stop? They go from making the decision on spending $300 or $600 to now saving $300. And all the while, you took that 1 hour of work. Let's say you dispatch and drive for a half hour. Let's say you spend 20 to 30 minutes in the home with the customer diagnosing. They accept your offer. You make the repair, probably another 30 minutes of work. Maybe you're cleaning up. If this all started, you dispatched at 8 a.m., 8:30 arrival, 9 o'clock start time, 9:30 finish up, 9:45 we're cleaned up, collecting payment, on to the next job by 10. That's still going to be around the same time if I do that toilet and the angle stop. I might be there another half hour. So an extra half hour of 2 hour investment and I'm tripling my ticket. And all I had to do was buy another $20 in parts. Pre-made bundles is nothing new. Every retail giant does something called merchandising. Merchandising is the placement of a product to put it near something that's going to encourage you to buy more of that product or similar items to that product. ServiceTitan does this with their suggestive options and their suggestive add-ons. But I want you to be able to have a price book that does this all the time. And it needs to be intelligent. So it's not just about bundling, but it's also about pricing. And when you do something with Service Titan, like a guaranteed 10% off for all add-ons, it's not a considerate stack, meaning it's just a generic bundle. We want to get creative, establish value, show the technicians, show the team that you can transact at those numbers, and then create prepackaged bundles for limited periods of time that incentivize them, not financially, but emotionally, to naturally share the deal, just like they do at the convenience store. All right, now that we understand how bundles work, how motivating the team actually works, and how a price book can convert for you, you're going to want to watch this next series where we show you how to get your techs to convert more in the home. And the best part, there's no selling involved. It's all done through service.